Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video with me and Elijah. And today we have a special surprise for you guys.
You wanna know? It's Sun and Moon team up.
Guys.
And we got 90 of it.
So today we went to the dollar store and we found these team up packs. It's a fresh box. So there was a couple of them there. So we took one box. This is the first time we're ever going to be opening a team up. All right, guys? So we're really excited. And we actually could not wait. So in the car, we opened up a couple of packs. And this is what we got, okay? We ended up getting this very, very special
That's
card.
my dad's.
It's the Magikarp and Whaler GX Alternative Art one.
That's
Yeah, this card is like $50 to $75. So like this card by itself paid for half the box. And we also got a Cobalion GX. And then we also got some other
and guys, you can't believe
graphics
it.
And reverse as well. So we're gonna open up all the packs, guys, for you guys.
We got 90.
Yeah, I think there was 90 we counted. So we're gonna open up all of them and hopefully we get something good.
And I said showed my 10 packs in the team up. So I'm gonna go with
this one first.
Celebi.
So this is gonna be a long video, but it'll be a fun video. Let me do it.
Yeah.
Because these are really, really hard. Though. Alright, guys. Let's see what I think it's. They counted like 95, so I think that's probably how many are in the box. But we're gonna open these guys up and see what we can find.
I have 105.
So you keep opening. All right. So you keep opening them. Show the camera, and I'm just gonna keep on ripping these plastics. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So just go.
Oh, it's
so
not
many.
good.
There's so many here, guys.
And a visual.
So what'd you get? Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
Alright, so we're just gonna open up these guys.
I just gotta.
Alright, here you go. Like that. Keep on ripping, and then you just keep on opening. Because there's so many packs to get through today, guys. Hopefully we get something cool and awesome.
More picks.
More picks, okay.
Tentacool. Maybe Tentacool is cool.
Is it cool?
Cool? What's cool mean for you?
I don't know. Alright, next one.
Guys, I'm so happy about this.
Yeah, guys. First time we've ever opened up Team Up. And first time we've ever seen any cards at the dollar store. Make sure you guys check out your dollar stores. And I'm going to keep on ripping and leave them right here for Elijah to open.
And Unified Fossil. And Unified Fossil, it evolves to ooh, reverse Sohana. Whoa.
Can you open them up?
We got.
What did you get so far?
Reverse.
Alright, so maybe we'll just open up 20 and then we'll open up the rest later.
No!
Right,
Not like.
Wait, I already opened these ones. I already opened those ones. So you can open those ones.
Oh, I can pick from one, guys.
Yep, just keep.
Which one will you do? I go with the Pikachu and.
You can't see, baby. The camera's too low, so just.
I agree. That one. And I
You guys want
have.
to see? Alright, guys. That's what we're doing.
And I have this one.
So
Which one will you rather pick from? They're all the same. Put it in the comments when you do it.
Alright, so all of these are fresh. You just gotta flip these open.
Let's just go with the. It's nothing good.
No way. Whoa! Guys, Elijah just pulled the Pikachu and Zekrom GX. This is one of the best cards in there. Wow.
Yeah. Guys, you should have said the
Let's put this one in the top loader.
We should go to A. You guys should have picked it A. If you didn't get A, it's okay. I think you guys that picked it B or C had it good.
Alright. Hopefully, guys. So hopefully here I can see this. Alright. All of them. There's only here. Ready?
Not good.
I'll get right
You have this. Bulldog. I really like Bulldog. Good. I love it. Oh, I see my reverse. The tackle. Do this. Hold on. Watch it. Wait, I need water. I need water. Not good.
Not good? Obviously, we're here.
Double A. Go on. Oh, this is fucking.
What's cool?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's go.
What's that?
Right. Here, on there. Next one. You got it. Nothing nice. Come on.
You know, quickly.
Team up, black fresh. See, right? So far, this for you, and then it'll be your turn. Thomas.
Wow. It's done.
What'd you get?
Oh my!
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Shiny!
Oh! Guys, we did it! Pikachu and Zekrom GX!
Shiny.
Whoa! Guys! Wait, baby, wait. Let me put it in sleep first. We did it, guys! We got one of them! Pikachu and GX Zekrom. And this is the full art version. So look, guys, okay, this is kind of worth it now, okay? We got the full art version and also the regular version. And we also got the Pikachu Rainbow Rare, the Magikarp and Whale Lord GX Ultimate R2. Alright, Zoro again. Oh! JJ just got this card, Rainbow Rare. Gengar and Mimikyu GX Rainbow, guys.
Yay!
Okay. Alright, what else? Yeah, super. Alright, this will be Alright guys, so we thought that there would actually be more hits, but the hits that we did get were actually pretty good, guys. Pretty good. So we're gonna show you guys what we got right now. Okay. Probably the best card, guys, is going to be this Magikarp alternative art. We did get a Gengar Rainbow. We got the full art Pikachu and Zekrom GX. We got a Dragonite Hollow. We got this Cobalion GX. Sorry guys, so bright guys. Sorry about that. And we also did get the Pikachu GX Rainbow regular. And so yeah, guys, there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 6 only 5 guys. Only 5 GXs out of 95. So yeah, the pull rates are pretty tough, guys. But hey, thanks again for joining us. Hopefully you guys had fun, and now you guys know what's inside of 95 Sun and Moon team ups. All right, guys.
Bye.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys later. Take care, guys.